All right, and welcome to Module 3, Lesson 1, where we're going to be talking about how to create a customer list custom audience. So you may be wondering why we're starting with audiences. So audiences are the best way to get a really quick win on Facebook. If you have some type of a customer list, if you have a website, if you have any type of audience already, even a Facebook fan page, those are the best audiences to start out with to target. And once you have that figured out, then you'll probably find success really quickly. So let's get into what an actual customer list custom audience is. So a customer list custom audience is a type of audience that you can create made up of your existing customers. These are all uploaded via a CSV file, so common separated value file. If you already have email addresses or phone numbers of prospects or clients, you can upload them as a customer list custom audience, and that's why this is really, really powerful. You can upload buyers, subscribers, leads, or any other segment of your list. Something really important to remember is that these customer list custom audiences are warm audiences, so they already have a relationship with you. So let's see how to set one up. To set up your customer list custom audience, all you have to do is to go in your dashboard. Under Assets, click on Audiences. And once you get in there, you'll see this big blue button that says Create Audience. So what you want to do is you want to click on that, click on Custom Audience, click on Customer File, choose a file or copy and paste data, and then that gives you with this shadow box. And all you're going to do is basically drag and drop your CSV file that's just all of your email addresses or a segment of your email addresses, drop it in here, and then upload the file. Then you're just going to name your audience and you're just going to confirm it. And if it actually works, in this availability column, it'll say ready. And usually there's like a 50% or so match rate. So if you upload a list of 5,000, for example, you're probably going to get 2,500 people that you can potentially target. So again, to remind you, this is a warm audience. So they already have an idea of who you are and what you're offering. So make sure that you tailor your ads to that specific audience.